I'm with the Blizzard Bonafide. It's awesome ski, got a little bit of early rise in it, which is going to help you into the turn, initiate. And soft snow is going to give you a little bit of flotation. Today I really had fun. It's harder conditions today, but it still holds an edge and carves really nice. And then when you want to take it into the trees and into the backcountry, it's going to be able to float for you and really give you an awesome experience. Very hot ticket item in the magazines. Did very well in all the testing, and we're really excited about it.